multiple ways to start sharing. I will be demonstrating each of them. If you want to share what you have done in the past, go to the second tab, scroll to the item you want to share, tap on the top right share button, and you are presented with options. If you want to send a file, a more toe file, or as I call it, a toe, if you want to send them a toe that has no images, you click no image and you're able to send to your friend. If you want to send it as a pure text, you could copy the text and it will be displayed like this. If you want to share as a CSV file, so you can keep for personal records, tap on here, and you will receive it as a CSV, similar to how the text was, the copy text. If you just want to post an image or save the image of the circle, summary image, and you will have the summary. If you want to delete, you could tap the delete button and press delete, but I do not want to delete it. 2, if you want to share movements, tap on the third tab, select the movement. On the bottom, you see toe file and a CSV. A CSV is a representation of all of your reps that you have done. So that would be all of these, minus the days ago on the bottom. If you want to send the movement, images will automatically be added and you'll be able to send the movement. 3, if you created a plan or a workout for the day and you want to share it with your friend, click on Customize Plan, select the plan, press and hold the plan, and you'll be presented with options on how to share, like how your story is shared. You can go into any of your training cycles. As an example, here's a training cycle or a folder. You can press and hold it, and that will also be shared. You can also tap on training cycle, tap and hold on any of the plans, and you will begin sharing. 4, if you have created a 3, 4, 10-week program, they are called training cycles. Tap on the training cycle to share one. From here, you can press and hold any of the training cycles that are on top. I'll click and hold the Tommy Bananas, and you will automatically be moved. Notice you are in customized plan. If I were to go back, you are only able to edit. You cannot start a workout from here because we want to share a training cycle. Tap on the training cycle. From here, you're able to share with no images. Notice how small the file is. And with images. Notice how large the file is. Reason of the file sizes. GIFs take space. And if a movement has 20 images and we have a 10-week training cycle, all the images from the training cycle will be included.